All right, students. So there we go. You start with this first question. Have a look. This is a question from circles. Circle is also a conic, let me tell you. So if the tangents at points P and Q on this circle meet at point R, that is 9 by 4 comma 2, then area of triangle PQR they are asking. Give it a try. Take 2 minutes, then I'll discuss. Try it quickly. The tangents at point P and Q on this circle meet at point R, that is 9 by 4 comma 2, area of triangle PQR they are asking you. Yes, how to do? All right. So let's do it. Now see, if the tangent at point P and Q on this circle meet at point 9 by 4 comma 2. This is the circle. Now let us assume these are points P and Q. This is P, this is Q. Tangent at P is this, and tangent at Q is this. So these two tangents, they are meeting at point R, that is 9 by 4 comma 2. This is the center of the circle. You join this, and then you join this, and this is another joint. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. Am I clear? Now they are asking for area of triangle PQR. Now see how many distances do I have? I have PR. PR is what? PR is length of tangent to the circle from external point R, and that would be equal to under root of S1. That is under root of 9 by 4 means 81 upon 16 plus 4 minus 2 times 9 by 4 plus 2 minus 5. That is under root 81 by 16 plus 1 minus 9 by 2. If I take LCM here, LCM is 16. It will be 81 plus 16 minus 72. 81 plus 16 minus 72. So this will be 81 minus 72, 925. It is 5 upon 4. You got it? Now, OP. OP also I have as a radius of the circle, that is under root of 1 plus 1 by g square plus f square 1 by 4 minus minus plus 5. So 25 by 4 root, that is also 5 by 2. Now OR I can also calculate. OR will be the hypotenuse of this triangle ORP. That will be 5 by 4. Okay, this is 5 by 2. So it is under root of 5 by 4 square plus 5 by 2 square. So that would be 5 by 4 under root 5. This is OR. Got it? Now you have everything in this triangle. What else do I require? I require, if I can get length PQ, then getting area will be easy. You want the area of this triangle. We want the area of this triangle. Fine. Now see, area of triangle OPR can be written in two ways. Half of base into height, that is half of OP into PR, that is also half of base OR into height will be PQ upon 2. This can also be the area of the triangle. So this is half, say this half cancelled. So you got OP as 5 by 2, then PR as 5 by 4 is equals to OR 5 by 4 root 5 into PQ upon 2. Is 5 by 4, 5 by 4 cancel, 2 cancel. So you got PQ as under root 5. So now we got the base of the triangle. Understood? Say this point is H. Now RP square is PQ upon 2 square plus RH square. So RP, your PR, that is 25 upon 16 is PQ root 5. So that would be 5 by 4 plus RH square. So that means RH square is 25, 16. So 20, that will be 5 upon 16. So RH is under root of 5 by 4. Now area triangle PQR is half of base is PQ. PQ found as root 5 into height is RH. RH is under root 5 by 4. So answer is 5 upon 8. Have a look. Little bit of tough calculation, but simple question. Everything is visible, but you are supposed to do. Have a look. Quickly see. Any doubt, anybody? Now, let's move. If the radius of the largest circle with center 2, 0 is inscribed in the ellipse x square plus 4y square is 36 is r, then 12r square is equal to what? Give it a try quickly. Go for it. Radius of the largest circle with center as 2, 0. Yes, yes, try quickly, try. Now see. Radius of the largest circle with center 2, 0. First of all, in coordinate geometry, you will be mistaken if you do not make a neat and clean diagram. Getting my point? So it is very necessary to make a neat and clean diagram. Now see, ellipse is x square upon 36 plus y square upon 9 equals to 1. So this is the kind of ellipse you will be having. Center 0, 0. Now they are saying this is 0, 0. This is 6, 0. They are saying with center as 2, 0. Circle with center as 2, 0 and the maximum radius. This kind of circle we will be having. Something like this. Right clear? So this is what you are looking for. And for that, I want this length. That will be the radius of the circle. Fair enough? Now, how to get this? And this is a big challenge, I tell you. Got it? Now, see, this is going to be a common normal for the circle as well as for the ellipse, because they will be sharing a common tangent here like this. Got it? So let us assume this point is 6 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. That is the parametric coordinates of the ellipse. So equation of normal of the ellipse is, now equation of normal is ax sec theta minus by cos sec theta is a square minus b square. So that will be 6x sec theta minus 3y cos sec theta is equals to a square minus b square, 36 minus 9. Now you want this line to be normal of the circle also. Yes or no? So make it pass through. Make it pass through 2 comma 0. So I get 12 sec theta minus 0 is 36 minus 9 is 27. So your sec theta is 27 upon 12. If I cancel it by 3, it is 9 by 4. This is your sec theta. So your cos theta is 4 by 9. In that case, sin theta will be 81 minus 16. That is root 65 upon 9. So that means this point P, which you have assumed, this point P is 6 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta. So it is 6 times 4 by 9, 3 times root 65 by 9. So that is going to be 8 upon 3, comma root 65 upon 3. Now what they are asking? Radius, and then they are asking for 12 r square. So radius is what? Radius is distance between this point P and 2 comma 0. You see that? So that is 8 by 3 minus 2 whole square, root 65 by 3 minus 0 whole square. So that is under root 8 by 3, 6, 4 by 9 plus 65 upon 9. That is 69 upon 9 under. So r square is what? 69 upon 9. That is 23 upon 3. They're asking for 12 r square. That is 4 into 23. 92. Such a good question and such a good question and mixed blend of both ellipse and circle. Have a look at it. Have a look at it quickly. Now let's do the next one. Look at this question. Let a circle C of radius phi lie below the x-axis. A line L1 passes through the point P of the circle C and intersect L2 at Q. L2 touches C at point Q. Distance of P from this line. Yes, give it a try. Hello. Yeah, have you tried it? Now see, a circle C of radius 5 lie below x-axis. Have you see again I'm telling you for any question, if you are not making a good neat and clean diagram, you are going to make a mistake. Got it? So a circle C of radius 5 lie below the x-axis. The line passes through the center P of the circle and intersect this line L2 at Q. Now see, circle C of it lie below the x-axis. L1 4x plus 3y equals to 2. This is the line say. Now circle can be here. The line this passes through the center P. Let this is the circle. This is the circle. Got it? And P and circle C passes through P of center circle C and intersect the line L2 3x minus 4y minus 11. This 3x minus 4y minus 11 will be somewhere 11 by 3 in this. Say it intersected here at Q. Line L2 touches C at point Q. Okay, so this is something like, see, these two lines are also perpendicular to each other. Now, this is a great point to notice. So, this is something like this. So, this is not Q. This is your point Q. Correct? Distance of P, This is point P, distance of P from this line. So what we have to do, we have to find the distance of P from this defining distance of P from this line is a secondary issue. Understood? Now this is the line 3x minus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. This is the line 4x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Now let us assume that this point P is A, comma 2 minus 4a by 3. Understood? Now distance of this point P from Q, distance of this point P from Q is the radius of the circle. And radius is given to me as 5. So line is 3x minus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. If I use the distance formula, it will be 3a minus 4 times 2 minus 4a upon 3 minus 11 upon 5. Magnitude, this is equals to 5. So it will be 9a minus 8 plus 16a minus 33 mod is going to be 25. So it will be 25a minus, it will be 25a minus 33 and 8 41 mod is equals to 25. So 25a minus 41 is going to be plus minus 25. So 25a is 41, 51, 61, 66, or it is 41, or it is 41 minus 25, that is 16. So A is going to be 66 upon 25 or 16 upon 25. Am I clear? Now what you need to do, you just need to find the distance of this point P once you got it. See, also check at this A, at this P, at this value of A, this y coordinate should be negative. All right. So you got P, you got your answer. Find the distance of P from this line. Have a look at it. See this. All right, now let's go for next question. Have a look at it. Let the locus, let the locus of the center. Yes. Let the locus of center alpha beta beta more than 0 of the circle which touches this circle externally and also touches the x-axis be L. Then find the area. Then find the area bounded by L and the line y equals to 4 is. Yes. Let the locus of the center alpha beta of the circle which touches the circle externally and also touches the x-axis BL. See, this is a very good question. Now there is a circle with center 0, 1 and radius 1. Now there is a variable circle which is touching this circle externally and also touching the x-axis. So something like this is going on. And its center is alpha, beta. Understood? So it is like let the locus of the center alpha beta beta more than 0 of the circle which touches this circle externally touches this circle externally and also touches the x-axis BN. So first of all the priority is getting locus L. So now let us assume this length is R. Now see, if it is touching alpha beta, so y coordinate will be beta of this center. So radius will also be beta. Now its radius is 1, this is beta. So distance between their centers, distance between 0, 1 and alpha, beta is 1 plus beta. So under root of alpha square plus beta minus 1 square is 1 plus beta mod. So alpha square plus beta minus 1 square is 1 plus beta whole square. So alpha square plus beta square plus 1 minus 2 beta is beta square plus 1 plus 2 beta. So alpha square goes 4 beta. That means locus is what? Locus is x square equals to 4y. Understood? Now, secondly, they are asking area bounded by this locus L and the line y equals to 4. Now, area is a concern of class 12th as of now. And this is the parabola x square equals to 4y and the line y equals to 4 they are saying. So this is the area they are talking about. I'm not going to calculate this area as of now because it will come in a class 12th curriculum. But yes, letting you know how to find the locus was my priority and we did that. Understood? Have a look quickly. Now, try this one. This be the circle passing through 0, 6 and touching this parabola at 2, 4. Then they're asking for a plus c. Take 2 minutes, give it a try. This time I will run a poll also. So if you got the correct answer, mark your answer in this poll section. Yes. Quickly try. One student gave answer as A, one gave answer as C, one gave answer as D. All right. Okay. I can assume all of you made a guess. Now let's try it. Circle passing through 0, comma 6. See, one condition is the circle is passing through 0, comma 6 and touching this parabola at 2, comma 4. See, this is the parabola. This parabola is passing through 2, comma 4. So first of all, I will write the equation of tangent to the parabola. All right. So equation of tangent is y plus y1 by 2 means y plus 4 by 2 is equals to x1, that is 2x. So y plus 4 is equals to 4x. Understood? Now role of the parabola is over. Now we are looking for a circle which is passing through this and touching this parabola, which is touching this line at 2, comma 4. Means if x is 2, y is 4. So we will write the equation of family of circle. Equation of family of circle will be what in this case? That is point circle. Point circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus lambda times this line, that is 4x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. Understood? Now this circle is passing through 0, comma 6. Make it pass through 0, comma 6. It will be 4 plus 4 plus lambda times x0 minus 6 minus 4 equals to 0. So value of lambda is 8 by 10. That is 4 upon 5. Am I correct? Now put this value of lambda here. So it will be x minus 2 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, plus 4 by 5 times 4x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Coefficient of x square and y square have been kept 1. So it is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 4 plus 16 plus 16x by 5 minus 4y by 5 minus 16 upon 5 is equals to 0. So it is x square plus y square. Now this and this. 5 4s are 20 and plus 16. So minus 4 by 5x minus this, my 5 8s are 40 and 4. So minus 44y upon 5 and plus 16 and 4 20. 100 minus 16, 84 upon 5 is equals to 0. So it is ax plus by plus c. Your a is minus 4 by 5 and your c is 84 upon 5. So a plus c is 80 by 5. 80 by 5 means 16 is your answer. There it is. Now see. In this one single question, they have asked you how to write the equation of tangent in point form to a parabola. Second thing, they have asked you how to write the equation of family of circle where this family is touching a given line at a given point on it. So it became a multi-conceptual, very good question. Have a look at it quickly. Understood, everybody? Now, let's try in another problem. This. A particle is moving in the xy plane along a curve C, passing through the point 3, 3. The tangent to the curve C at point P meet the x-axis in Q. If the y-axis bisect the segment PQ, then C is a parabola with. Give it a try. Very amazing question. Quickly try. A particle is moving in the xy plane along the curve C. Yes. Now see, a particle is moving in the xy plane along the curve C passing through the point 3, 3. So later on we'll make it pass through 3, 3. Tangent to the curve C at point P meet the x-axis at Q. Tangent to the curve C at point P meet the x-axis at Q if the y-axis. See, it is something like, say this is your curve. This curve is passing through some point, say 3, 3. Now tangent to the curve at point P, let me assume this point as x, y, meet the x-axis meet the x-axis at point Q. This is point Q. If the y-axis bisect the segment PQ, y-axis bisect the segment PQ, that means this y-axis is not exactly here, it is somewhere here. Got it? And y-axis is bisecting this segment PQ. Now see, equation of this line can be written as capital Y minus Y is slope into capital X minus X. Slope means slope of tangent. So point Q will be what? For Q, you will put capital Y as 0. So your small y will be, your capital X will be small x minus y upon m. Small x minus y upon m. So this point Q is going to be x minus y by m comma 0. Understood? And your P is going to be x comma y. Now see this point, the midpoint of PQ, midpoint of PQ lies on y-axis. Yes or no? So midpoint is what? X plus x minus y by m whole divided by 2. It lies on y-axis, means its x coordinate is going to be 0. So from there I can say x is equals to y upon 2m. Or I can say that m is equals to y upon 2x. M is what? dy by dx is y upon 2x. It can be written as dy upon y, say 2 times, keep it here, is equals to dx upon x. Now integrate both the sides. This much of integration we all know. So this will be 2 ln y is equals to ln x. Let me introduce constant as ln c. So from this you can say y square equals to cx. Now this parabola is passing through 3 comma 3. So if you make it pass through 3 comma 3, so 9 equals to 3c, 3x, 3c. That means your c equals to 3. So your parabola is y square equals to 3x. Understood? Now when the parabola is y square equals to 3x, its focus will be what? Focus will be a comma 0. So it will be 3 by 4 comma 0. Focus will be 3 by 4 comma 0. Everybody understood? Have a look. This is a tough question still, I will say. It's featured in JEE Mains 2013 to 2023. Everybody understood? So in today's session, we could not do too many questions because there have been lengthy questions in the exam, but still we have been able to do 4 to 5 very good questions with very good concepts. So first question we have done like area of triangle PQR. And for that, first of all, I found everything about this triangle. Then I found the area of this triangle in two different forms. Perpendicular base is also perpendicular into base. With this, I got the length PH. Then I applied Pythagoras theorem in this triangle to get RH and got the area. In this question, we are looking for a common normal of both the circle and the ellipse. So I took a point here, 6 cos theta, 3 sin theta. And this common line, I wrote a normal of the ellipse and made it pass through the center of the circle, which they are saying 2 comma 0. You got theta, you got 6 cos theta, 3 sin theta point. Then we have done this question. This was a pretty easy question. Now again, get the locus. Locus was a parabola and it was easy to find in this question. Understood? Yes, this was a tough nut to crack, but it is also using multi-concepts like tangent to the parabola you need to know. Also, you need to understand the family of circle touching a given line at a given point on it. But it was a good question. And then a question which somehow included basic differential equation also, which was very easy to tackle for you since you are dealing with derivatives in physics also, a different little bit of integration and differentiation you are dealing with. All right. So that would be all from my side today. And happy studying. Practice more. Just before leaving this class, please mark your feedback. Yes, please.